This is Paul Harris with Utah State University's Center for Water Efficient Landscaping. Towards the end of the season, you may see some trucks driving around with big air compressors behind and wondering what they're doing. Well, today we're going to show you what they are and how they can help your lawn. The first step of the process is to isolate our irrigation system. The next part of the process is to somehow get air into the lines of the sprinkler system. And what we're using is a quick coupler that hooks right into the main line of our system. That way we can pressurize the air and blow it out the sprinklers. This is a little bit unique to golf courses and city parks, so a homeowner might not have this, but the principle of getting air into the sprinkler line is the most important thing to do. The next step of the process is to somehow replace the water in your sprinkler lines with air. And for our purposes, we're using a construction grade air compressor. We can hook into our main line with this quick coupler key, and that'll compress the air and eventually shoot it out the valves when you turn them on. Once you're sure there's no more water left in your sprinkler lines, shut that valve off and go to the next one. If you have a drip irrigation system, an easy way to clear out those lines is to have an extended piece off your main supply that you can kink during the summer and then simply undo in the fall time and blow the water out that. That way you're not trying to force the water out of the emitters and possibly damage those. This is Paul Harris for Utah State University's Center for Water Efficient Landscaping.